So I've got a Xiaomi lint remover here. So I thought I would buy this from AliExpress because it was fairly cheap and I wanted to see if it would work. I actually have a jumper I wanted to use this on. I'll just show you how bad the lint is on this jumper. So I hope that's visible, but there's lots of these small lint bubbles on it. So I wanted to try out this lint remover to see how effective it is, and I wonder if it'll save me from wanting to throw this jumper away. So let's get into the unboxing. This is by the Xiaomi brand. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. So let's have a look and see what's inside the box. This is the box from the outside. Okay, so it comes with, let's just, so here is the lint remover. We have some kind of brush here too, and then we have the manual, and we also have a USB-C charger, USB charger here. I hope it comes with some English. The manual is not English, so hope we can just go off the images here. So this is the lint remover itself. It's quite solid. It's got some good weight to it. And then you've got this, I guess this is where the blade is. You've got these holes which the lint bubbles go through. And then there's some kind of shaver on the other side. It actually screws off here. So that's the actual mechanism. You've got these sharp blades. So let's screw this back on. And then I'm guessing underneath here, that's where it all collects. All the fabric collects here. You can just slide that out and empty that out like so. But yeah, here's the on button. So it works straight away. I don't need to charge it out of the box, but I think if I take this off, okay, it doesn't turn on without this in place. So there is a safety mechanism in place there. Okay, and this is a brush obviously just to clean bits out. Let's go ahead without wasting time. Let's try it out. And I'm going to try out the lint remover. What I've done is I've put my hand through the jumper and then I'm going to rub it across like so. So my hand's in the jumper and let's turn it on. Okay, actually that is quite impressive. Can you see how well it's done that area? Let me find an area where there's a lot more bubbles, lint bubbles. Okay, so we've got this area here. This is the center of the jumper. Let's see if we've captured that. Okay, let's try this big area. Hey, to be honest, I am quite impressed. I think it has done that area very well. I'd need to spend a little bit more time and maybe not do it with the camera on and just maybe sit down and do it properly, but it's very effective so far. Let's see how much of the lint has been removed. So we can see inside there is some lint collecting. It's managed to capture a decent amount. Oh, we can see it has kind of accumulated here. I guess that's why they've provided the brush, because it'll be easier to clean this with the brush if you just, flick this all out of the way. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I think this is a really good product. I'm glad I have reviewed it here. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.